figure is made up of a rectangle and a square. The area of the square is 2/5 the area of the rectangle. A shaded area of 40 square cm is being cut out. The remaining area of the unshaded part of the square is now 1/5 of the remaining area of the rectangle. What is the area of the figure? Now, the area of the square is 2 out of 5 of the area of the rectangle. So which means the square is 2 units in area, the rectangle is 5 units in area. So what we can do, we can box this out, and for the square you put 2 units. We box this out as well. For the rectangle we put 5 units. Alright, and the part that's inside here, this will be 40 square cm. Okay, and we are also given the remaining areas. So the remaining area of the square will be 1 part. For the rectangle, it will be 5 parts. So this will be 1 part, and for the rectangles, the remaining area will be 5 parts. Which then tells us that the value of 2 units is the same as 1 part plus 40 square cm, right? Because 2 units is a square. If you take that 1 part plus 40, you will get the original square of 2 units. Likewise, 5 units will be equivalent to 5 parts plus 40 square cm. Which then means that 1 unit is the same as 1 part plus 8 square cm. Now, how do we get there? We divide everything by 5. Okay, so what we'll do is we will use 1 unit to be the same as 1 part and an additional of 8 square cm. So going back to this first line of items here that we have written down, instead of writing 2 units, I can write 2 parts plus 16 square cm. Why? Because I times 2 here, times 2 here. So 2 units is the same as 2 parts plus 16 cm square, which is exactly the same as 1 part plus 40 cm square. How did I get that? It's exactly from this part. All I've done is to replace the 2 units to 2 parts plus 16. To solve this for the parts, what we can do is to draw a model. Okay, so we have 2 parts plus 16 is equivalent to just 1 part plus 40. Okay, these two are the same. So 2 parts minus 1 part, that will be 1 part, and the value of 1 part will be the same as 40 minus 16, which is 24 cm square, right? Because this part here, this blank box or this dotted line here, and then this box here represents 1 part. So what's 1 part is just 40, take away 16, which is 24 cm square. Alright, so now that I have 1 part, I can actually find the area of this square, which is just 24 plus 40. This is 64 cm square. This is the area of your square. Okay, and not forgetting they're asking you to find the area of the figure, which means that you need the square plus this part here, which is 5 parts. Alright, so what's 5 parts? 5 parts is 24 times 5, and that would be 120 cm square. So the total area of your figure will be equivalent to 64 cm squared plus that 5 parts. Oops daisy. 120 cm square, which is going to be equals to 184 cm square. Final answer for this question.